Hey guys, Voinski here, and I'm super stoked to be talking to you about an awesome June 2018 special that's going to be going on. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I've been living a ketogenic lifestyle now for more than a handful of months at this point, and it has been life-changing for me. At this point, I am down about 30 pounds. I'm feeling great. I've gone down 2 pant sizes. I bought a new bathing suit for the summer, and I'm just super stoked about it. My husband's been doing this, my kids are learning through it, and it's just been a wonderful, wonderful experience for me. So along this journey, I found out about this great product called exogenous ketones, and they are just absolutely amazing. I have used them to help me get this far and losing those 30 pounds, staying energized, having mental clarity, hair, skin, and nails, all those types of things. The things that when you add ketones to your system, you're really just like working on all cylinders, and you're not tired and sluggish and just exhausted and miserable. Instead, you're the opposite, and you're like the best version of yourself, which is so great. And I found this product, and now I'm sharing it with my followers on here, my subscribers, my friends, my family. You have no idea how much I love this stuff. So what I want to do for you guys for the month of June is that if you want to grab on, jump in, try these for yourself, you can actually experience the benefits of ketones without eating a ketogenic diet. There's science that even when you drink these, you get into ketosis within 60 minutes. It's amazing, and I want to show you about this awesome package, this deal I'm doing in June. Gonna be great. So here's how it works. If you go ahead and say, Carly, I'm in, I wanna try these, I wanna feel like you're feeling, I wanna experience what you're experiencing, I wanna get mental clarity, I wanna get better sleep, better mood, all these things, then you're gonna say, I'm ready. 10-day experience. Let me just try these for 10 days, see what it does to my body. I will ship them to you in this awesome, cool little package, and I'm gonna show you all the great things that you are going to get within your 10-day experience, okay? It comes filled and packed to the brim right now. So first of all, you're gonna get a very little special handwritten thank you note from me, but with that also comes an email where you get access to my private VIP only Facebook group, which has tons of information, meal plans, recipe ideas, all these things if you are going to follow a version or a strict ketogenic diet. Here are the ketones. Now, what do you do with all these things, and why are they different colors, and what in the world is it, right? So these are exogenous ketone salts. They are flavored. You mix them with water in a shaker bottle. Here's mine right now. And there's other ones, like you can mix some of these in different things besides water. They're like special little recipes, which you'll find out about. But mixing them in ice water is great. So what will you experience with a 10-day, and I'll save the special to the end. You will experience flavors like the Keto OS chocolate swirl. The OS is the original formula. Now the OS comes in chocolate swirl, and it also comes in orange dream. They all come charged, which is caffeinated, or they come caffeine free, like this one right here. And you're gonna get a mix when you get your 10-day, okay, right here. So the orange dream tastes like a creamsicle. You can mix it with ice and water. You can mix it with almond milk. People have even mixed it with sparkling water. You can use flavors. It's good. The chocolate swirl, I've only had with ice and water one time. I wasn't a huge fan of that. Instead, what I've done with the chocolate swirl is I've mixed it with my iced coffee and some heavy cream. Super delicious. Okay, then you're going to get a flavor, most likely. All the packages are different with flavors, but these are all the flavors that I have right now. Raspberry lemonade. Raspberry lemonade tastes like raspberry lemonade, right? Yeah, okay, so that's raspberry lemonade. Oh, these are my favorite. Heart tart. Heart tart tastes like a sweet tart candy. Like, you know those sweet tarts that you might get around Valentine's Day? That's what this tastes like. So it's not sweet, it's tart. It's like a little bit more like soury, I guess. It is light and refreshing. It's amazing, so delicious. It's one of my faves of all time. We have Maui Punch. Maui Punch tastes like fruit punch. It's so, so good. It comes again in charged and decaf. Yummy. you will get, now here's what's really cool in June. While supplies last, you're gonna get a couple limited flavors. This is a limited edition flavor. It's called Keto Jellies. It came out around Easter time, but because it was so crazy, we all just received these kind of recently, and it tastes like jelly beans. I don't know how else to describe it. I know jelly beans have different flavors, but these taste like jelly beans. Then we have the amazing, amazing June special. You will get Keto Limeade. So here's the thing, this Keto Limeade, right? This just came out. It is a limited edition flavor. And when I say limited edition, I mean like brand new. The box just got to my house yesterday. So all of my current people that I've been sharing this with, my friends that I love, they don't even have this yet. And if you order a 10-day in June, the special is that it will come with this flavor. Allie, what did you say you thought it tasted like?
It tasted like lemonade, but not as sour.
Right, yeah, it's very, very light. It's very refreshing. I think it tastes like lemonade. Other people say that they think it tastes like a margarita. So whatever you think, but you get to try one of these, and that is what I'm drinking right now. It's super yummy. It's great, right? Super great. So now, you have one of these a day. For people that have really, really big goals of weight loss, you can do 2 a day. If you just want extra energy, you can do 2 a day. And the great thing about it, especially with the energy, is that it's natural, sustained energy. There's no heavy crash at the end of it. It just feels really, really great. So down below in the video description, I'm going to have a link for you about how you can jump on this June special. Make sure in the comment section of the form that you say something along the lines of YouTube video, because I know that you watch this, because it's the only way you're gonna get the special is by getting it from YouTube. So you're gonna go ahead, say YouTube video, I watched your video, June special video, whatever you wanna say. You can be like, Carly saw the video with the palm trees in the back and your daughter right here, and that's the special that I want, whatever you wanna do. And it usually ships out next day. I mean, I'm like, as soon as your payment goes through, I go ahead and I ship it out the next day. Right on top of it, you get that email, you get the invite into the Facebook community. Great group of people that are going through this as well. Some people are eating keto, some people are on Weight Watchers, some people are just doing standard American diet, but they're all utilizing their ketones and they're having great effects from it. And ketones are so good, they're so healthy for you that it's been approved, children can have them. Decaf, but children can have them. So like she would be able to have like half a pack. So children can have half a pack. If you've got smaller kids, you can even change the amount, but look into it. It's so good. So good. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So that is the June special. So many flavors. You get the limited edition flavor, which is amazing. It comes in the special rose gold packaging. It comes with a handwritten note. It comes with the Facebook community. You are gonna be successful. It's gonna be great, and you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hop on it, right?
That's a pretty color.
It is a pretty color too. So that's the June special. If you like that, go ahead, hit the like button. If you're gonna get it, hit the like button. If you just like the video because my daughter was in it, hit the like button. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put a little subscription thing right there. And then go ahead, hit the bell, get subscribed, get all the notifications, and you'll be then able to join us the next time.
And also, if you get your packet, don't throw it away. Use it for different things.
Oh, your packaging.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys.